Lamsogo friend song tini hai ni roni bangui koktoma kaham tobai phapikha abongkha Office of the District Legal Service Authority Sipahijala District ni kaisa recruitment notification lamokha abo ni bisingo tamo post tong tamo qualification nang age limit busuk eba application processing bahai aborokno saimana bagui video no puila chimi paithak jora nai tongde ge faide chung nalinai post nimung tongo 1 number post tongo Deputy Chief Legal Aid Defense Counsel aboni bagui education qualification nangnai practice in criminal law for at least 7 years 7 boshor rongnoi practice tongo nangnai criminal law ni bagui aroni post vacancy tongo 2ta monthly per month manai 60,000 khaiwi rojaknai gefade teibo tolao nalinai teibo tongo 2 number tongo Assistant Legal Aid Defense Council ar jaga tongo 5ta vacancies abo haino practice in criminal law tongna nangnai tei good oral tei writing communication skill bo tongo nangnai aboni bagui salary rojaknai 35,000 okay faide aro tei botong office assistant hai kaba clerk aro tongo ekta vacancies aboni bagui nangnai jekono graduation kene apply khai manai tei logeo computer skill tongo nangnai tei typing speed wngna nangnai aboni bagui rojaknai salary 15,000 15,000 okay tei boro tongphio 4 number post obongkha jotono apply khai manai office peon or jaga tongo 2ta vacancies ni bisingo education qualification nangnai matra 8 pass hingkhana apply khai manai aboni bagui salary rojaknai per month 10,000 10,000 khaiwi salary rojaknai okay tamo vacancies tong tamo qualification nang koita vacancies tong salary busuk aborokno chung saimankha ge faide chung bahai khe aro jagao apply khainai abono chung tabuk saimalainai aboni ui torao haide aro tongo application last date rojak tongo application form submit khainani bagui last date rojak 17 tarik August 2024 ni bisingo submit ma khainai rokni form nge form ni logo rok nangnai self attested copy nini je document tongmani no okay form ke boro manai abo wngkha o website o form manai rok website ang video ni description o doi ronai link ah jagao download khainai form karui manai aro o notification ni tolao download khaikha hingkhana form manai o jagao form tongo abo wngkha 1/2 number ni legal defense ni bagui form o 2ta post ni bagui o ekta form ni bisingo 2ta post apply khai manai gete tongo tolao office assistant by office peon ni bagui na o jagao obono form nawi fill up khainai nirokni office o jama marani office wngkha aboni office wngkha Office of the District Legal Service Authority Sipahijala abo wngnai Sonamora o jama marani last date wngkha 17 tarik August 2024 tei bisi somoi kwrwikha aboni ui nirok daiti thangui form submit khaibai notification download khaini bagui ani description o link dojak ah jagao download khainai nirok detail nai manai ge tini bagui asang sini friends jotono no hamba।